What is seconds pendulum? What is its approximate length? A pendulum whose time period of oscillation is 2 seconds is called seconds pendulum. If you observe, this is the diagram for seconds pendulum. Pendulum has metallic bob. L be the length of the pendulum. Length should be measured from point of suspension unto the center of gravity of the sphere. As the pendulum bob oscillates to and fro like this, from mean position to right extreme and again comes back, it will take 1 second, and again from mean position to left extreme and again comes back another second. As a result, one oscillation completed. It takes 2 seconds to complete one oscillation, so that the time period of seconds pendulum is 2 seconds. Since t is equal to 2 pi under root L by g, but t is equal to 2 seconds, so that 2 is equal to 2 pi under root L by g. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Now by squaring on both sides, here 1 will be there. 1 square is 1, that is equal to pi square into L by g. I need to find L, so that L become g by pi square. What is g? 9.8 meter per second square divided by pi 3.14 the whole square. If I do simplification, 3.14 into 3.14, that equal to 9.859. 9.8 divided by 9.859. 9.8 divided by 9.859. Approximately 1 will come. 9.8 divided by 9.859, that equal to 0.9940. That equal to 0.9940. This value can be taken as approximately 1 meter.